By the views on my YouTube channel, I make $0. I don't make any money. And this may shock you because you expect that I am making money from my YouTube channel. But at the moment, right now, with the number of subscribers that I have, almost 2,000, and roughly 500 views a day, I don't make any money on YouTube. And let me explain why I don't make any money. The first reason is because I'm not monetized. I'm not monetized on YouTube. And this is not because my content is against policies, it's not because I have not applied my channel for verification and then monetization, but it's simply because I don't have the monetization requirement. That are two. The first one is to get 1,000 subs that I have, and then the next requirement is to have 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months, and I have around 3,000 right now. So if you want to help me to get more watch time, just watch the video until the end and leave a like. Then this is not just for me, but it's for a lot of other people. Getting the first 1,000 subs, it seems hard, it seems far away if you are starting today YouTube. But if you just have 500, 700 subscribers, you will get very quickly to 1,000. And here the problem is to get the watch time in order to be monetized. Because maybe you can get a ton of views on your YouTube videos, but people are not watching the entire video, or people are not staying on your video for a long time. So they maybe will watch 30 seconds, 15 seconds, maybe just 2 seconds, or maybe 1 minute, and then they will go away. Because if you have 1 million people that watch 1 million of your videos for just 1 minute, it's 1 million minutes that you have of watch time. But if you have 1 million people that they are watching just 10 seconds, as you can see, it really drops. But also if you have 1 million people that watch 5 minutes of your video, is 5 million minutes of watch time. So you need to increase the watch time into your channel, and is what I'm trying to do right now, improving my video quality and improving my audio quality, and also improving the content. Now, probably you have a question, why I keep doing YouTube, why I keep posting weekly, or even in some periods of my life daily, even if I don't make money. The reasons are mainly two. The first one is that I already have a business. I have a social media marketing agency, and I have the money from there. I live in my own apartment, I have my own life, I have my business. So the YouTube channel is something extra, it's something that I do long term. And the second reason is because, as just said, is long term. I want to have passive income, I want to reach a ton of people, I want to help people to grow their social media, to start their agency, to start their business, and then I want to have passive income, because YouTube, it's a really great tool to get passive income. Because today, if I stop making videos, I get around 500 views every single day, and if those views can be monetized, I make money passively as passive income, without effort, without anything. And even I have the chances to grow this income by just creating new content that can go viral, and also hoping that the old content get picked up in the algorithm of suggested videos and it will go viral. And from there, as you can see, I have posted on my channel, I think around 400 videos, and maybe some of them have 3 views and some of them have more than 40,000 views. It's a really big difference, but mainly my goal for YouTube is to grow and help more people, and it's also to make more passive income, because I already make good money with my business, but I want to increase the amount of money that I make from my business with my YouTube channel. And my YouTube channel, it took for me 20 to 30 minutes in order to make a video, because by doing that I can do it pretty much every single day, and I delegate the editing. I just simply create the video and then I let an expert, someone else, edit the video, and then I just post it on YouTube with the thumbnail, title, tags and all those stuff. If I put all together in 45 minutes, I have my video without editing. So at the moment I have 45 minutes a day, so I can use that time in order to create a passive income, a new income stream, and make more money and help more people in the long term. And probably you think, okay, but why I am just hoping or you're just waiting to get monetized on YouTube and I don't sell something else? Just simply because right now I am focused on my social media marketing agency. Yes, I can add affiliate links on my channel, but if my video get 200 views and just 3 people click the link and 1 people buy and I earn $5 or $10 just for a commission, for me it's not worth at the moment. So one day, once the channel will grow, once I will have a ton more views, then I will start more affiliate marketing. Probably in the future I will create a course for people in order to start their social media marketing agency. I have already made a course about the success mindset, the mindset that you need in order to succeed, but it's something that I want to promote in the future. Once my channel get bigger, I have a bigger audience and I can impact and help more people. But by saying that, also by doing YouTube, I keep working on my English, because as you may hear, English is not my main language. My main language is Italian. I live in Switzerland and I speak Italian, and I have learned English through online courses, through school, through little experiences in USA, and by doing those type of videos, by speaking in front of a camera, I improve my public speaking skills, and also I improve my English, because every day I listen to content in English, but I'm not able to speak English with other people. I'm not able to travel every day, especially during those days to US in order to speak English, or on the UK. So by doing this type of videos and speaking in English, I can impact a ton more people and I can improve my language. I know it's not the great pronunciation, it's not the great language that I have, but if you go back and you watch at my first videos, you can see that there is a really big improvement, and this is what is important for me. And by simply doing this, I can inspire a ton more people, because when I started my YouTube channel, when I started my business, I was looking online for people that have got the same results that I want. And I have seen a ton of people start from bottom, from scratch. They have got a really great business. They have got their YouTube channel. They have started making a ton of money. They have the freedom. They have the car, they have the lifestyle, they have everything. And I was really motivated and inspired by watching those people. And today I want to be that person. I want that other people ask me for advice. I want to help them. I want to share my story, and I want to create inspiration for other people, because it's not easy to become an entrepreneur, but it's also not impossible. You just need to have the right mindset, do the right things, and create the right environment around you. And by staying around successful people online, it's a great way on how you can get successful in real life. There was a time in my life that pretty much I've spent more time during the day listening to people online that speak about success, money, business, than the people in real life. Yes, you can say that maybe it's sad or it can be wrong for you, but this is what worked for me. Isolation and create an environment based only on success, on motivation, on psychology, on sales, on business. This is what made me an entrepreneur and what made me create the life that I have today. So back to my YouTube channel, as just said, I don't make any money. I earn $0. And as you can see here on the screen, it's a screenshot of my Google Analytics. And as you can see, I have more than 180,000 views. And yes, I have more than 4,000 hours of watch time. But it's not on the last 12 months. It's on the past 3 years, 4 years. So this is not valuable for join the monetization. And then as you can see on the right, I have zero income. I don't make any money. And my next goal for YouTube is just to get that threshold, to get that motivation, to get that finally 4,000 hours of watch time and start earning money. Because I don't know if you know it, but on YouTube you earn money based on the title and on the subject of your video. For example, a prank video will earn just $3 for 1,000 views, and maybe a real estate video can make even $50-70 for 1,000 views. And as you can see, the difference is really big, and my CPM will be probably a little bit higher than the average because I speak about business, I speak about social media, and those are a really valuable topic online because there are a lot of people, a lot of companies that want to advertise on YouTube based on those keywords. So by creating this channel right now, I'm not making money, but I expect to have a big jump from zero to maybe start $100, $200, $300, $400 a month for my views. And then I am just waiting that YouTube pick up one of my videos and let it go in the suggested videos, because by doing that I will pretty much get a ton of views, a ton of traction, and if one of your videos goes viral in the suggested videos or maybe on the homepage, you will have a really big chance that YouTube pick up another of your video and suggest also that video, and so on. So your whole channel will get suggested, you will get a ton of views, a ton of money, and you will impact and help a ton of people. So if you want to start making money in affiliate marketing, or you want just to know what is the best way to make money on affiliate marketing, watch this next video right here where I show you exactly how you can do it and how you can start. I see you there.